Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing Keap CRM, a tool that says it can help you save time and grow your business by putting everything, contacts, emails, sales in one place. I'll cover the features, pros, cons, pricing, and whether it's actually worth your time and money. As always, this isn't a sponsored video, just my real experience and a lot of internet research so you can make a smarter choice. So Keap CRM is a business tool for small teams, agencies, and service companies who want to manage clients and automate messages and take payment in one spot. In short, it helps you keep all your work and contact organized, chase lead, send emails, and get paid faster without using 5 different apps. Keep has been adding a lot of features in 2025, like smart automations, AI email tools, better mobile apps, new payment integration, and more templates for small businesses. I even watched Claytmas, the founder, speak on a podcast called Pioneers of Progress. He's big on making business simple, and you can see it in his product. So this is where Keep really stands out. You can set up automation that sends email, text, and even invoices whenever someone fills out a form or book a call. The visual editor is drag and drop, no code needed, and there are already 50 pre-made workflows. Keep connects with tools like Zapier, Google, Stripe, and PayPal. In my experience, the automation are smooth and saves a ton of manual follow-up. The only hiccup is that super custom flow can feel confusing at first, but the help guides are decent. Compared to ActiveCampaign, Keep automation are more visual, but maybe not as deep. Still, for most people, it's all you need. Next up is the CRM with a sales pipeline, good for tracking every lead and customer in one place. You get Kanban board to see your deal, move them along, even schedule meetings right inside Keep. There's a role-based access for teams. I like that you can click any contact and see every email, note, invoice in one spot. Some Reddit folks say that contact list can be a bit tight if you're growing very fast, but if you're doing B2B sales and want an all-in-one view, this will help you out. One thing Keep does that's rare, you can make invoices, accept payment by card or PayPal, and set up automation reminder all in the same tool. This makes it super easy to get paid fast, and you can see payment status for every client. Automatic reminder cuts down on overdue bills. I saw a few Reddit users mention the payment interface is pretty basic if you need very detailed invoice. But for simple jobs and repeat work, it's fast and works well. Keep connects to 5,000 other tools via Zapier and has an aftermarket place for more add-ons. The mobile dashboard is clean. You can view your pipeline, contacts, and even send messages right from your phone, which is great if you are always on the go. I've tested the app and found it quick, not heavy or buggy. For many business owners, this is going to be a game changer. Pricing starts at $299 per month for 2 users and 1,500 contacts. There's no free plan available, but you have got 14 days trial period. If you add more users or contact, the price climbs very fast. I'd say Keep is in the premium range for small businesses CRM compared to HubSpot, Zoho, ActiveCampaign. You get everything in one place, but only makes sense if you use all the features. Here's what I like about Keep. It's all in one software, CRM, automation, payment, messaging, and one login. Workflow automation and templates are super easy for small teams. Takes payment and sends invoice without extra plugins and stuff. For this fast customer support and new features coming out every few months. But it's not perfect. Starting price is too high if you're a solo user or have a lot of contacts. Second, no free plan available, just a short trial period. So you need to commit. Third, some advanced custom workflow takes time to learn. If you need really deep analytics or unlimited contacts, this might not be your best choice. So who should use this? I'd say Keep fits best for solo founders, small business owners with service teams, and agency who wants everything in one tool. But if you're a giant sales team or need super advanced marketing, you'll probably want something bigger. Overall, I'd rate Keep CRM an 8 out of 10. It's solid for small business owners and growing agencies, but not perfect if you're a tech heavy large team or need deep data tools. The big takeaway is if you want to run your whole business without 5 apps, Keep saves a lot of time and keeps it very simple. If you want to test Keep CRM, this is the extended trial period link in the description. This link is an affiliate link, so I may get a small commission at no extra cost for you. And it helps me keep making honest reviews. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment which tool I should review next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.